Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Here is the quick simple review of the Style Find. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Solid wood and heavy duty, crafted from natural solid wood with a reinforced frame, this freestanding coat rack. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Lockable rolling wheels, for smooth swivel wheels make this coat rack with wheels easy to roll from entryway to. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. 2-tier storage shelves, this garment rack with storage features a 2-tier shelf for shoes, bins, and handbags plus. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are daily wear, good value, and easy choice. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that I was really impressed with how easy this coat rack was to put together. My simple verdict, the Style Find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.